Okay.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Maru Wali from Rehani School Online Academy Teachers Training Program, Batch 5, Level 1. And today I have our young guest, Irhad Rahman, AI Wali. So let's get started. Interview from Irhad Rahman. Assalamu alaikum, Irhad. How are you?
Walaikum salam. I'm fine. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm so good. Thank you, Alhamdulillah. Okay, so Irha, are you ready to give me answers? Because today I have a new topic and you are the new guest. So are you ready to give me answers?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so today topic of my interview is how AI is transforming the job market. So we are discussing about it, but first of all, I want to take an introduction about yourself. So what is your full name, Irha?
My full name is Irha Rahman, and,
Okay,
my
okay,
son is 6. I am currently living in Saudi Arabia, Jubail, and I am from Pakistan. And my favorite hobby is to do sketching and help my mom. And also, yeah, my most favorite thing to learn is AI is because it's just so vast and interesting. And this is all just about me.
okay. This is so cool. Thank you, Irha. And I live in Yembo, Saudi Arabia. So we are friends in Saudi Arabia too. So did you visit Yambo or any other city near Makkah or Medina? Or you are living in Jebel every time?
I almost visited the whole Saudi Arabia, every city almost. Yambo, my parents went one time.
Okay. Did your father work in Jebel Industrial Area, Ramco?
No, uh, in Tasni.
Okay. Okay. So, where are you from? I mean, Karachi or in Pakistan, in which city you belong to?
I belong to Faisalabad.
Faisalabad. Okay. I'm from Karachi. So,
Uh,
my next question is tell me about your family. How many family members do you have?
I came from a wonderful family of 5 members, and I have two siblings. I'm the oldest one, and my brother Ali is the youngest, middle child, and my smallest, my sister is the youngest one. She's only 2 years old.
Okay. 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 So, how far have you completed your education?
In general school or like in air school? Yes.
In general school, yes. In general school, in traditional school.
I mean, sixth grade.
Did you go? Did you go to the traditional school, or you are just learning in Rehan school?
I go to traditional school. Both
Okay.
hai
So,
actually.
how many classes did you learn? How many classes?
All from like KG 1 to level 6. I'm still learning.
Level six. Okay. So, the next question is: since when are you interested in AI?
I was interested when I was like 10 years old, and when I was like 9 years old, I used to make, not 9 years old, I didn't knew anything. In 10 years old, I used to make AI videos of car crashes and something by
Hmm.
using different AIs and watching tutorials. Then one of
Yeah.
my father's friend told about this Rehan school. Then I joined this Rehan school to learn more about AI.
Oh, this is so good. Okay. So, when did you join Rehan Online Academy?
It has been almost like a month, like a month to like since I joined the Rehan school.
So, in which level you are in now? You are studying
I'm in foundation level batch 7.
foundation level. Okay, and it's about 4 weeks to go, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so why did you become interested in studying artificial intelligence?
It was just so like vast, and it's so interesting because you don't need to even do so much things, and it makes whole things for you. Like if you give a little bit of a like make give me like a car crash video prompt, it gives you a whole detailed version. Like it's so easy to use also. That's
Yeah,
why.
you are right. So good. So who is your favorite teacher now?
In Rehan school,
Yeah, in Rehan school.
it's Miss Momna Technology Wali and Miss Kasser Education
Okay,
Wali.
okay. So, uh, how? What do you think is your biggest strength?
Biggest what?
Strength, your strength.
It was it like I don't have any biggest strengths. I don't know.
Okay. So next question is, what do you consider the purpose of your life? Can you hear me? Or I
Yes,
should repeat?
I didn't
Should I
hear you.
repeat?
Yes,
Okay. What do you consider the purpose of your life?
that I will become a really meaningful person, and wherever I go, everyone will know me and they will welcome me like I'm a VIP.
Okay, you are so VIP. Very good. So my next topic is about artificial intelligence, as you know. So let ask me some questions. What do you think AI is?
AI just means to me like really difficult things explained into really easy words.
Hmm. Okay, so how beneficial is for AI for humans?
It's beneficial to do their homeworks, everything, but like not everything. You should also use your brain, like in math
Hmm.
questions, because in exams there won't be any AI, and AI mostly is beneficial for humans, like who are poor. They can use AI to make videos on YouTube, and then they can get some money by people watching their videos.
Okay, so tell me one thing. Which part of AI interests you the most?
It's most like the part it's of me like she it do does my homework.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what do you think about AI? Can AI replace humans?
No, it can never replace humans because human actually created AI, and everything that
Hmm.
AI says is from that is searching from Google, and Google and people upload things on Google, so
Exactly.
never AI can replace. AI cannot
Yeah,
be replaced.
yeah, you're right. So, do you think that AI is making the world most better place?
Yeah, it is making it a better place and also a bad place at the same time because now people are like losing jobs and and at future there will be less jobs that we can get.
Hmm.
Mostly will be handled by AI.
Yeah, you are right, exactly. So, if you could create a new AI system, what would it do?
It would do house chores and everything that like my mom does, like
Hmm.
cooking, dishwashing, everything, even take care of my sister.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so if you could create, sorry, this question I also be. What is the most important thing needed to learn AI?
We need to learn like how to use it properly and give it the right commands, not searching something like you should use
Hmm.
it for some reason.
Okay, so how have ChatGPT or other AI tools changed your life?
It's changed my life by getting me more like intelligent by it does my assignments, and I also share it helped me like to understand. जैसे मैं जो कुछ समझना होता है वो समझ
Hmm.
लेती हूँ. And
Yeah.
like it's so good, I love it.
Yeah, you're right. So, what have you learned or created using AI so far?
I've learned like how to use many applications I never knew, like
Hmm.
Sora, ChatGPT, and
Yeah,
Canva, like that. I've
yeah,
learned.
they all are new. Yeah, you are right. And Canva is also so interesting.
Yeah,
So, what do you think the future of AI will look like?
the future, it will be like it will be so advanced, right? Done right. It is right now. Like it will just like be like real humans,
Hmm.
and like many people are even scared of it.
Okay, so is AI helpful or harmful for students? What do you think?
For students,
Yeah, if a
sometimes
student
it's
can learn,
helpful.
yeah,
It's
sometimes it hasn't.
sometimes, yeah, sometimes it's like bad and sometimes it's good. Like if they use it only in
Hmm.
emergencies, then it's good, and like all the time it's so bad.
It depends on the situation, how can you use it.
Yeah.
So, my next question is what are your views on AI ethical issues?
My reviews,
Yeah, your views about AI issues.
they're like they sometimes make mistake and just keep repeating it, even though we said the right thing. They are just repeating it. Sometimes they feel really dumb.
Yeah, exactly. If AI make a wrong decision, who should be responsible?
um it's the
Maybe
AI should be
it's our
responsible by
mistake.
itself.
Maybe it's our mistake because if we cannot give him a good prompt, then maybe they doing some mistake, and sometimes the machine too.
Yeah, mechanical issues.
Mechanical issues. Okay, so do you think every child should learn AI?
Yeah, it's really important on the era coming, like the era coming ahead. So everyone should learn AI, in my opinion.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. So, what do you think is the future of AI in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, nobody is actually focusing on it. Only like the students in Rehan school mainly learned AI. And Pakistan, if whole Pakistan learned AI, Pakistan would become a really good country.
Hmm. You're right. That's right. Okay, let me ask about your education and learning. So, how much time do you spend studying each day?
Each day, mostly an hour, and minimum I also take 30 minutes.
Okay, you are quick, so fast now. Okay, which learning method do you prefer, like videos, books, or practical work?
I actually do like practical work and learn from some. जैसे मैं कभी कभार समझ लेती हूँ AI से, like
Yeah,
ChatGPT,
yeah,
and mostly I do practical and try to solve it by myself.
yeah, good. Okay, so what special thing have you learned from Rehan Online Academy?
The special thing is that that like
Which you would
that
never know before.
yeah.
Okay, so I think all the tools are so new, like Canva, like um, Suno AI, and Sora. All things are new. Okay.
Yeah, but I actually we practiced in level 3 the Canva. We knew I knew and I also knew Gemini and Copilot also I knew before.
Yeah, Gemini is also good. I didn't use Copilot now. Okay, so is online education better or traditional education or both? What do you think?
Traditional, but like only like 1 hour is fine in online because you will have a extreme headache after you even watch for two
Exactly.
hours.
You're right. Okay, so what do you find most difficult while learning in the AI? What are you learning in foundation level?
It is like submitting task on a CCL portal because you have to put multiple links.
Yeah, and one time. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
Okay. So, how do you stay motivated while studying?
I I love actually studying, so I don't know how I don't even get motivated. I just love studying.
Yeah, this is so good for you. Okay, so have you ever been afraid of failing?
I s- yeah, sometimes I am, but like
Mhm.
sometimes I'm not. Like in Urdu exams, I'm not even scared because I hate that subject. It's so hard.
Yeah, exactly.
And
Are you in
in
Pakistani school in Dubai or are you in Indian school or where?
I used to be in Maria International. Now I'm in Pakistani International School.
That's why you have to relearn Urdu. There is
Yeah,
no any other option. I know that. Okay. So, what advice would you give others about learning?
the advice is just keep your eyes on the prize. One day we'll get it like if you just keep working for it.
Okay, so and the next topic is about futures and dreams. Let me ask you some other questions. So, where do you see yourself in next 5 years from now?
I would see myself in the home, but I will earn some money online
Hmm.
and like $1,000 a month.
But in Saudi Arabia,
Yeah,
okay. So, what is your biggest dream?
that I want to become a judge. I have multiple dreams. My most is judge and AI
Mhm.
engineer. I think so. Yeah,
Okay, so good. Okay, so what would you like to start your own AI project?
I would like to, and it would be on a, like it would be on mostly for earning money.
Hmm, okay. So, if you get a chance, which company would you like to work for?
I will make my own business.
Okay, so good. Okay, so who is your role model?
My mom and dad, because
Good,
my
so
mom
good.
is like
Hmm.
a stock trader and my dad is a engineer, and they always
Okay.
support me.
Oh, this is so good. Your mother is also a working woman.
Yeah, but in home she works online.
Okay, from home she works. Okay. So let me ask you
Uh,
about your personality and interests. So, what are your hobbies?
Hobby is mostly painting and sketching and helping my mom, but mostly painting and sketching.
Okay, painting and so have you paint or sketch something unique?
Yeah,
Do you have your
actually,
own
I
sketchbook?
yeah I have my own sketchbook, and like when I took it to school, and girls were so
Hmm.
surprised, like how did she even draw that?
Wow, this is so good. I also know sketching, but I'm not good in sketching. Okay. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I would like to play games and sometimes watch documentaries.
Yeah, so good. So, which season do you like the most? As you know, every time summers in Saudi Arabia.
I hate summer actually. Now I love winter
But we
only.
have to face here a
Yeah, it's
long
so
time.
hot. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what is your favorite book or movie?
My favorite book is Atomic Habits, and my favorite movie is The Meg 2. It's like a
Okay.
Megalodon movie, it's like a shark movie.
Okay. Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
My
One is from Saudi
favorite,
and one is from Pakistan. Yeah.
okay, Pakistan is of course biryani, chicken biryani,
Yeah, of course. We are biryani lovers. Okay,
and
and in
from
South,
Saudi Arabia, I don't have actually favorite food, but kunafa.
okay, Kunafa. Yeah, Kunafa is also good. Okay, so do you like traveling?
Well, that's one of my favorite things to do. We go on trips like Abha and Al Baha, Makkah, Medina on cars, and like for
Yeah,
whole day we sleep in cars, and it's so fun.
yeah, exactly. Same here. We also same. Okay, so are you talkative or quiet person?
I'm quite sometimes I get talkative a little bit too much that I get scolded by the teacher.
I think the girls are always talkative. They are not quiet as much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you like sleep or do you like wake up every anytime?
Like in my free time,
Hmm.
in free time I like wake up. I cannot sleep in the morning. I as how much I as I hard try as much I like try to sleep in the morning. I cannot. Only night I can sleep.
Because you have two schools now. One
Yeah.
is your traditional school and on. How can you manage both studies together? Because both are different.
Yeah, it's kind of hard for me. That's why I don't get like I cannot almost always submit the task on time. Sometimes I
Yeah.
get late.
Hmm. So, give me some detail about your learning time and procedure. How can you manage your both school into that together? Because 5 days in traditional school, then 6 days in Rehan school. So, how can you manage?
Yeah,
Give some
when I
advice
come
also.
Yeah. So like when I come back from school, I eat my lunch, then straight up get to the AI class. After that, like any task they give, first I will do that. Then I
Hmm.
will, if there's little bit study for my traditional school, I
Hmm.
will just do it right away. Or after playing outside, then I will come
Hmm.
back. After Maghrib, I will come and do
Hmm.
all the homework. But first, I will do all the AI tasks. Try to at least.
Yeah. Did you done all your tasks in class time?
In class I'm left with some like interview with the chatbot tasks.
Hmm. Okay. Which is the most easiest task for you?
It was it was to make a it was the coding task, and Canva was my most favorite.
Okay. And which one is so difficult for you?
It's interviewing a chatbot.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so let me ask about something else. So, which one you like most, the mountains or rivers?
I like both. Mountains are my most favorite, but sometimes I get little bit scared, like what if they
Yeah, scared
suddenly fall.
at night, especially because in Saudi Arabia there
Yeah.
is dark night. Oh my God.
Yeah, and what if we fall from the road?
Yeah, exactly, you're right. The roads are so good, but the mountains are so scary sometimes, especially at night. Okay, so which
Yeah.
one do you like most, day or night?
Day mostly because we can do anything we want. At night we
Yeah,
always have to sleep.
yeah, always. Right. Okay, so which one you choose, robot or humans?
I choose robots for some like homework help and doing my chores, and
Yeah,
mostly
for
like
your help,
humans.
you want robots, otherwise humans. Okay, so AI or art, which one is more interesting for you? Is the AI is most interested or art for you? Open your mic. Your mic is off, I think. I didn't hear you. Yeah, tell me. Wait, let me check mine because I didn't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Did you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, now. Okay, so book or YouTube? Which one you prefer?
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, so tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay, and in winter or summer, you already give me the answer winter because summers are too much long here. Okay, online classes or physical classes or both?
Physical.
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 Okay, family or friends?
Family.
Family. Okay, thank you so much for your time, AR AI Bali. This is so good, and you are so young and so good. So let me thank you for your time, and we will meet with the new interview with the new guest and new stage. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, take care. AR AI Bali. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.